Hi everyone, this is Deborah and today I have an unboxing video for you because I'm hoping that everything I ordered actually arrived. Let's have a look what we've got. Lots of bubbles. Here it is. Okay, I've got a little code there, valid until the 18th of March. So I probably won't be using that, but I might be able to use that in my junk journals. I've got these. I know that these are really old. I've always wanted them, but they were on special, so I bought them. They're the wooden ones. I can't wait. I've got to open everything. They're actually little blocks of wood. I've never really touched them. I've seen them in the shop, but they were super expensive and I never bought them. So here they are in person. Excellent. So that's something that's old. I do have a few old things that I couldn't get elsewhere. So we'll have a look. Oh wow, look at these. These are the machine heads. They're huge. Look how big they are. I didn't think they'd be as big as that. They're very big. How wonderful is that? So you get 12 pieces. So you basically get 2 of each. So you've got 3 different ones, 2 sizes, 2 of each. They're huge. Oh wow, that's really good. I got a pack of these. These are quote chips and these ones are different. They're called theories. So they are a whole different, there's the thing there. They're a whole different lot of them. Aren't they great? I'll have fun going through them. And this is some tissue tape, collage paper it's called. Oh my goodness. Oh, so exciting. Let's see what else we've got. What are these? Oh, okay, type chips. They're called type chips, and they're actually similar to the alphabet that he's done, you know, the letters in the silver and the bronze colour. And these are similar to that. Look at that. They're really, really thick. They're really thick and they're just gorgeous grunginess. Oh, wow. Okay, so this one is I must have got 2 packets. Yes, I got 2 packets of those. They're amazing. Oh, such good stuff he's brought out this time. Here are some antique gems. I don't know whether they were new or not, but I knew that I wanted some. They might be new. They're lovely. A little bit of bling there for me. What are these? Wow. These are baseboards and they're called junk drawer. Oh, how cool are they? Look at that. Really thick again because they're that baseboard. Oh, okay, that's great. Look at this. Layers. And this is urban layers. Oh, I can't wait to get those and start playing with those. Wow. Lots of gorgeous stuff in there. And these are salvage tags. So these are the things that actually, you've even got the string in there. They look like real tags. Look at them on the back. And these are the skulls. I couldn't get the skulls when they were released last year. I never saw them anywhere here in Australia where I looked, but I always wanted them and they are just what I expected. They're beautiful. I'm going to have fun with them too. It's the die of the typewriter and you can actually put the paper in through these pieces here. Super excited to be playing with that today too. And here we go. These are optical lenses. So they're bigger than the monocles that he did, but you get 2 in each pack. They're wonderful. Let's just pull one of those out too and have a close-up look at it. I don't think I can wait. Yep, that is just gorgeous. They're like a real, one of the ones that you get. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Gosh, there's some good stuff in this release. And then I got these, which are clipping stickers. I already have some of the clipping stickers. But from memory, again, I can't remember. It's so long ago since I put this order in. So they look slightly different. They might not be. They might be the same as I've already got. Yeah, I think they might be the same. But anyway, I wanted them. So I bought some more of those. And then I got 2 packets of the paper stash. This is the Abandon. And again, I couldn't get this when it was released at Halloween. So I got 2 packets this time. It's just beautiful. Wow, I'm super happy. I'm super happy. I'm going to have a great afternoon because I've got all these wonderful things that I can play with. And I just don't know where to start. I just want to pull this open now I've got the box out of the way and see what's in here. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Look at those numbers, aren't they fabulous? Fabulous. I mean, you see when Tim gives you a rundown, but you just, until you get it in your hands, you can't tell how great they are. He tells you they're great. I suppose we should believe him when he tells you how wonderful they are. Oh, look at that poison. Isn't that great? And big round things. I'm always looking for great round things. They're really nice texture too. And I love the numbers. They're wonderful. Fantastic. Great release, Tim. Well done. Thumbs up to you. Oh, okay. Let's just have a look at that other one. I really wanted to open a couple more. Well, these, so many of them. How many do you get? 40 pieces of these, and this one you get 65. No wonder there's so many of them. So this is the baseboards, and again, oh, look at this. That's fabulous. There's even an elephant. They are wonderful. Just the texture of them is really nice. I'm a really tactile person, so they're just wonderful. I love them. Just beautiful. And because I've opened all those, I'll just quickly push this aside and I'll open the tags while I'm at it. See if I can get the tags open. And here's the tags. Again, a really nice thickness. They're very, very thick actually. They're certainly a heavy card rather than paper, and they're just beautiful. So there you go. So that is what I got from Simon Says Stamps in the US. I've been waiting ever since the release was announced. I ordered them on pre-order. Plus I ordered those other things, but I actually ordered all of this on pre-order. And here it is, arrived today in Australia, which I wasn't expecting it actually for, I thought another week, maybe 2 weeks, but it's arrived super early. And I just want to put these on the table as well. Gosh, I'm going to have fun. I'm going to have fun putting all this away. Look at these. Fabulous, absolute fabulous. Take risks, dream big. I use a lot of quote chips and sayings in my art journals and in my junk journals. They're going to be great. Really, really nice. There you go. I'm a very happy girl, and I'm going to start doing some playing this afternoon. So no doubt you'll be seeing some videos with these in them very soon. This is Deborah. Thanks for watching. Cheers.